How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on account center. Once you're here, tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Select the account that you want to deactivate. Now here you have two options. The first one is to deactivate your account, which is temporary, which means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it. If you don't want to deactivate this temporarily but want to delete your Instagram account permanently forever, then tap on the second option. Now tap on continue. Now select the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account, then tap on the continue option. Then tap on continue again. For security reasons, you will have to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Once that is done, tap on the continue button, and once you do that, your Instagram account will be deleted permanently. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.